Masira mo. Masira nakatali.
Nakatali.
Sariwa. Sama mo na to. Maglalaro ng basketball si Nakauya. Lamang pa rin.
Kinoshita. Still by Kinoshita. Down Lea Misbed. Amishata. Kinoshita.
Good morning everyone! So ito, panibagong araw at panibagong pambabakaw tayo dito sa tabing dagat. Ayan, at vlog tayo for today. Tayo mambabakaw para makadali naman tayo ng sariwang isda. Ayan ang bangka ni Paring Japper na malaki oh. Sundo sila sa taas, nagkukwento sila nila Hana, Paring Japper at si Dagul. At magandang balita dahil yung pinahiram natin ng pantanigi nakahuli na. Nakahuli si na Paring Japper, sniper, tanigi. Panoorin nyo na lang sa vlog niya. Lupit, di ba? Malupito nyo at nakahuli ang ating pantanigi. Ito may dadating may dadating at magandahan.
Automatic sa inyo, bilaglag. Hindi, magkano kayo sa standing? Pakatanganan niya sa school. Hindi, saan yan?
Ganda ng dagat ngayon Almada.
Dagat dahil pala. Baka sa puso na magandaan tinala nyo, ilan lamang nyo?
Ito. Ay, nagbanaga, naglobster.
Ako yung nag-lobster. Diyan na po yung gumakaspe.
Sila, apa?
Dami uli.
Tagilid. Tagilid. Apat! Tasira. Apat! Tas.
5.
Apat!
Ano ba? Hindi pa obra yung isa?
Apat daw eh. Inakay pa.
Dating.
Apat na ba na ganang huli?
Apat. Ako yung mo.
Ito, Kuya Mer. Huli kaya?
Masira mo. Masira nakatali.
Nakatali.
Tingin isa.
Baka mano ang kawin.
Yeah.
Siya pang isda din eh akin na.
Ay, paisa.
Ba, 5 peso lang yan.
Paisa. Gancha po.
Ayun, gancha
Bakaw na isda din yan.
5 piraso doon ang banaganyan. At least may huli kahit pa paano. Eto na si Cristobal. Ito nang isda to Ay, si Bukol ba yan? Si Bukol pala. Ito nang isda ito. Isda to. Sigurado may isda to kasi nang isda. Kapag nagbanagan kasi o lobster, bihira ang isda doon. Ito sigurado to, sangal. Sana yung maraming huli. Parang pumaspas ng takbo mukhang magandang huli ang ating mga mandirigmang mambabakaw. Nakapesto na. Mamaya nandun na yung sa gitna. Sa tabi, sa baybayin tabi. Tignan nyo ha. Ayan na, unti-unti na unti-unti na diba? Nagulo unahan niyo. Siya inatakbo pang bangka, isugab yeah! Ayun! Wala huli!
Diyan na, maglalako yan. Hila lang konti
Hila lang konti, hila.
Sa cooler.
Ayun, baka bibilis daw. Ayun, white salmon. Ayun, white salmon, pusit.
Bago. White salmon. Bagong huli
Wala nang huli.
Wala, dalawa ho dalawa huli. Dalawa, pre. Ay, sabihin.
Ayun, may nabili siya.
Sarap din na, sariwa. Sama mo na to.
Nabili.
May ari yan ito. Galing kuha tayo dyan.
Mahal talaga kayo nun, boss. Doon ba to?
Mahal talaga ngayon ng isda.
Birthday ko ngayon eh. Ano tawad?
Happy birthday yun.
Happy birthday yun.
Dapat may regalo yan.
Magsimba.
Baka mahal po talaga ng isda ngayon at talagang ngayon ay mabisa at sariwa pa. Ayan, kinikilo na. Pambawi sa gasolina. Meron pa.
Yeah, pwede rin yan.
Ayan pa, mura na sa 300.
Marami yan.
Oh.
Sarap na yung pakse.
Kabisado ko saan nakalagay ang tabo.
Usapin niyo muna bago kayo magparte.
Kayo musong din.
Apa, ako isa lang dito, birthday.
Sung ito.
Binata ko. Kaya mo yan, mati.
Okay, buot mo na, buot. Matigas yun. Kapatid di ba tayo po yun? Matigas yun. Tignan natin kung yung uli. Ay, hindi pala karamihan ng huli. Pati pa. So, dalawa. So. Alright mga kalogs, magandang gabi. May laro pala kami. Tapos ng first quarter. Aanim kami player, kaya lumabas ako, pagod ako. So kalaban namin ay Violet. Ang score ay 14-20. Ayan, 16-20 na. Tuloy pa rin laro, kahit aanim tayo. Hindi wala nakita si Aswang kasi, kaya hindi tayo makapag-intro. Tapos na nga yung first quarter. Ang score natin ay, yun ba yun? Ayan na, 20-22 na. Dalawa na lamang natin. So lumabas muna ako dahil pagod na nga ako. Bakit? Wala tayo eh. Wala yung ibang team natin, ibang player natin. Baba!
Lead pass to Camilo with a stretch layup. Nothing on the grab to Sierra. So para sa kumanan ng Kalogs. And then Luis, but a short miss.
Wala pa rin.
Magayon to other side. Then they still overshooting in by Camilo natin. Amarante on the attack. Para sa mga ng Kalogs, Luis.
Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin.
Luis.
Yun. Talaga mas sapilitan baka makashoot.
Arbinger 24-20.
Bubulong ka.
Bagay masaya yung score ng tayo.
Wala tayong magagawa. Anim tayo. Kaya nyo yan. Kaya niyan.
So it's 20-24. 24-20. Patrick Stamagayon running down the floor. Pushing the base for Arbinger. Magayon na to Biliwan. Another basket by Biliwan. So the lead pass right now. The touch by Ruiz. Still by Ruiz. Started by Guitarra. And then Ruiz back to the lane. He gets that contact for the number 14. A substitution Barcelona for number 11. Two breakers for Ruiz. President Mintis.
Pants lang yung iba niya.
A second time para Ruiz. Basket, sinigurado. Minister Ruiz sa pakalawang tigada. And then, itong sumigaw na lang ay tangan ng bola para sa hupunan ng Arbinger na kitalawag si Agitong. Yung unable to connect, tapping ka ng bola, lumabas ang bola. Patungo doon sa paroroonan. Possession by the Kalogs. And then but Ruiz right now slowly down the pace into the offense for Kalogs. Swing the ball at the right side. And then the shot clock at 12. Ruiz. Shot clock down to 7. 17. Ruiz. Badillo on the attack, down the lane, the stretch layup, unable to connect. 3 minuto, 20 segundo ang layup sa ating second So the possession right now, warning for delaying the game. Medallion to Barcelon, one goal, ball back to Medallion. Medallion guarded by his defender, Ramos Rosales, of the rest of boys. So lumulog ang kalamangan para sa kubunan ng Kalogs at 8 points. Buwan with the basket. So 2 minuto, 50 segundo na sa ating second period.
TikTok yan, may TikTok.
Shot clock at 15 seconds. Another try by Ruiz, unable to connect, not convert on the jumper. So Agitong, and now to Medallion, nice pass to Willian. And then another to Medallion, a break, 1 dribble to left. Oh, he missed on that shot by Medallion, running down the floor to Agitong, behind the back to Barcelon. He gets that basket. And Agitong, ball intercepted by Rosales. Ball now to Ruiz, got it by Biluan to Ruiz, ball intercepted once again. And now Medallion. Vargas connects. So deadlock at 34-old, copy ka ng bola ng Kinoshita. Kinoshita, still right now. Kinoshita, the handoff to Medallion with the basket. So the lead is back to the Kalogs at 36-34. Medallion basket. Answering back to the call. Right there by Medallion. Walang Medallion talaga ito. 1 minute and 18 left to play.
Wala dito, nasabi ko.
Ruiz number 17. Tabasu Ruiz. Shot clock at 10 seconds. At inside to Medallion, nakakarami na. Si Mr. Medallion na puntos. Ang oras natin eksakto 1 minuto. 16 points. Pesa pa lang tayo. And then, shot clock at the ball intercepted to Rosales. Rosales! One drop. Second try, basket. 45 segundos. And then, Biluan to Medallion. Medallion now to Biluan. Basket! 36 seconds. Kinoshita. Medallion. Lead pass to Rosales. 29 seconds. Rosales right now. 15 to shoot. Miss it. Shot clock off. 20 seconds for the first half. And then Medallion one drop. And then the game clock at 14.7. 14.7 to go. So Barcelona on that inbound. Now to miss it. 10 segundo. Rosales. Babalik by Kinoshita. 5 seconds left. Number 14, Agitong.
Nakapo ako sa tao.
Second down. By Agitong. 2 free throws for Kinoshita. So the first attack. Hiltis. So meron tayong 5 segundo. Nalalabot sa ating first half. Second try natin doon. And now Ruiz unable to grab. At the end of the second period, our score is 2-point lead by the Kalogs. 30-38.
Wala na.
Sunsiga oya. Nako, pahinga.
So, 40-38. Medallion, Vice, Mintis. And then, Mintis pa rin kayo na Manila. So, Ruiz galing signaling the play para sa Kalog. Cross-court pass to Kinoshita. Kinoshita on the attack. Kicks it out to Rosales. Mintis pa rin kay Rosales. And then number 11 to Badillo. Badillo the bounce to Camilo. And then Badillo the stretch here is good. Okay. And then the lead pass to Ruiz. Ruiz, the layup is good. It's now Camilo for Armiguez. Camilo on the back, Ruiz to Ruiz. Then Ruiz, still right now the Ruiz step back jumper collects. A 4-point lead ahead. Still in favor by the Cologs. Number 461 by battle for the rebound, won by Kinoshita to Rosales. Then Rosales right now giving the ball to Ruiz. So 15 to shoot. Now to Rosales. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And now the shot clock down to 5. Rosales unable to collect but the rebound by Badillo. Lead pass to Camilo. And now Camilo on the attack. Camilo the ball. Bounce. Iyon ang bola. Lumiban sa bakod. So, Miguel number 7 to go. 3. Alright. So, para sa upunan ng Cologs. Oh! Backcourt violation. Hindi pa naka-establish yung point origin. Point origin. Yung sinasabi, point origin. Kailangan naka-establish ka talaga doon. And then, the ball intercepted by Kinoshita. Drive to the lane. Kinoshita, the stretch layup is good. Aba, 3 puntos ka rin ang kalamangan para sa kumpulan ng Cologs. Sa para sa basta Magalang, galing ng Magalang, wala kayong tingalaman Badillo. Away sa Badillo. Nakabos mo sa ilalim. Megalyon right now. Megalyon. Signal the play. Got it against Badillo. Shot clock down to 16. Kinoshita partially blocked but he missed. But yes, Megalyon. Survive court for a foul.
Alright, so mga
Third foul by Badillo.
tayong videographer kaya
Megalyon.
maglalaro ng basketball si Nakauya. Lamang pa rin yung Sinauya.
Muntisa.
Papasap na, pagod na raw.
A second free throw for Megalyon.
Mamaya. Para.
Second one, both misses. Megalyon cross-court pass to Camilo. So Camilo got it by Ruiz. Relocate somebody. Megalyon nothing on the jumper but Megalyon number 26 on the defensive board. He pass natin 15 ni Camilo sa fly. Ngunit ang bola sa kumpulan ng Cologs. Megalyon, the drop pass inside by there. Shot clock at 15 seconds. Ruiz number 15, 3. It's now Camilo. Ang shot by Camilo on the number 27. Isel. Foul number 11 Kinoshita. Substitution ang marami for Kinoshita. Papasab.
Papasabog na lang.
Diluan for number 11. 2 free throws for Camilo. First attempt, Mintis. A second one by Camilo. Both misses at the charity lane. It's a 4-point lead by Cologs at 49 to 45. Now Megalyon, the bounce to Ruiz. So let go situation yan. Pambola nangyari doon. Ruiz, number 15, wonder. Tapi ka ng bola na sa kamay. Save it to the right or wrong guy. So the shot clock winding down at 10 seconds. Rosales, shot miss. Then now Megalyon, the drop pass. Under to Camilo, the right drop. Then now to Ruiz. An inside pass to Megalyon. Unable to collect another player. Mintis pa rin. Ngunit si Badillo may tala na mga bigay kay Camilo. And Camilo to steal Megalyon number 71. He gets that basket on the short stop. So Ruiz number 17 stop for a while looking for an open guy. Shot clock 14 seconds. And now down to 10. Rosales. Shot clock down to 5. Ruiz 17-3. Right. And the lead is up by 5 points. Now ball back to Camilo. Magayon from downtown 3. So dadalawa lang ito para sa kubunan ng Kalogs. It's a 54-52. Ruiz Kinoshita, another Ruiz for Kalogs. Shot clock at 13 for Kalogs. Ruiz number 17 on the drive, overshoot that one. Magayon to Agitong. Agitong right there to Magayon. Drive to the lane, basket. Deadlock at 54. Kinoshita, still by Kinoshita, the layup is good. So balik muli ang kalamangan sa kupunan ng Kalogs. Magayon inside Camilo with the basket. Deadlock muli tayo. Sa oras na labi, 2 minuto at 53. 2 minutes and 53 seconds left.
Time out!
Time out, Kalogs. Amirante. The drop pass before the pass. Foul on number 14. And Rich in foul. Substitution. Agitong third foul. Number 26 for Camilo. Shot clock 17. Ruiz. Bounce back to Ruiz number 53. A 3-point lead by the Kalogs. We are down now to the final minute of this third period. On exactly 2 minutes. Number 26 with the basket. And then Kinoshita. Kinoshita right now looking for a friend. He locates Magayon. The baseline shot. Nothing by Magayon. He missed on that jumper. Running down the player for RBS. Badillo. A point-to-point by Badillo. So the ball tap. Ball out of bounds. Last touch by Bugay. Ay, siya ulit nakahawak eh. 1:28. So Kinoshita. Shot clock at 11. Ruiz. Amishiata. Kinoshita. 3. And then meron lang tayong 1 minuto 10 segundo. Number 26. Mintis. Ito si Ruiz number 17 now to Magayon. Magayon ball back to Ruiz. Under 1 minute to play. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot by Ruiz. And then Kinoshita. Shot clock at 10 seconds. Magayon. Nothing. 43 seconds left. Magayon number 74. The drive. The drop pass. Number 26 1 ball. Game clock right now at 29 seconds. Magayon with the basket. So shot clock is up. And then 20 seconds. Basket. Game clock down at 10 seconds. 9.2 remaining, number 14. Si Agitong, warning for foul out.
Pagod doon. Pagod.
Substitution, Camilo for Agitong. 2 free throws for Ruiz. Another miss. Kian with basket. Yun, tumama. Sa pagkakataon yun. Ruiz. Under 5 minutes left. So, rebound now goes to Magayon. So, Magayon, shot clock at 9 seconds. Resiles to Ruiz. And then the shot clock 5. So, the one intercepted right there. Behind the back pass to Kian. Basket. basket. Time out, Kalogs. So,
Timot na mga kalogs.
next game, be ready. Ako po na ng The Dreamers at ng kalabanan. Junior Division for the next game. So, Aces and The Dreamers, be ready. 4 minutes and 36 seconds. 4 na minuto, 36 ang nalalabing oras sa ating final period. Ruiz ang tumanggap ng bola mula sa backcourt. Then, Ruiz pa rin ang may tangan. Shot clock at 15.
Okay na.
Rosales and airball. Third lang ang tinamaan. Pass to Kian. Winner shot. Wanda. Bates. Adobo black eye. By the number 12. Rosales. So, this shot clock at 17.
Oh, tito naman. Sain. Lago.
Huli.
Kian to Magalan. 10 to shoot. Magalan with the basket. Sa Eda.
Oh, balik.
Biglang umalag na.
Ayun yun.
So, Angro Rivera. Shot clock at 12 seconds. Hazel Westblin. Foul on number 34. Substitution. Yun. Paldo muna si Camilo. Vargas for Camilo. Nabutligan. Butlig yun. Shot clock at 14. Amarante. Amarante right there. Drive. Layup no good. Oy. A loose ball foul by Ancre. Tinaga ang kalaban. Polishing the defense. And then Magayan inside to Vargas. Recover by B1 correction. And then Magayan. So Magayan. So Magayan para na may tangan. Shot clock at 16. Kian, nothing. 2 minutes exactly. And then Ruiz, baseline drive, layup, way short. So for Armingos, Magayan, on inside, nice to Kian. A drop pass, oh, nice ball movement. So, in the blink of the eye, 10 na agad ang kalamangan para sa kapunan ng Armingera. So, Ancre. Now to Ruiz. Take, jumper, too strong, and then holding foul for Magayan. Ay, palapit na tayo ng palapit sa final minute ng ating final period. Another whistle foul on number 15. Substitution, Kinosita will go back to the ball game, replacing Ancre. Warning for penalty for Kalogs. Approaching the 12th zone in this final period. Shot clock at 16. It's now final. 2 minutes. Ruiz to Kinosita. Pass. Amis. Magayan. Another miss. So Magayan, slow it down the tempo. Slow it down the pace right there. Now to Vargas inside Kian. Yun. Foul on. 11 Kinosita. Penalty. 2 free throws for Kian. Sa bilad na ang kubanan ng Badwinners and Aces. Ang unang tikada ng Tis, ang pangalawang tikada basket sa pangalawang tikada ni Kiana. Lead pass to Ruiz, and now the jumper short. Tapigan ang bola na kay Megalyon. Megalyon unable to connect. Time remaining 1 minute and 19. Paris by Megalyon. Ancoach. Shot clock at 10.
Standing itong Sachi, tsaka ang Jaramich.
Shot clock at 6. Game clock exactly 1 minute. Lead pass ball deflected at taken away by Badillo na to Vargas to Megalyon. Shot clock at 17. Weasel was playing. 32 seconds left. And then Megalyon, basket. Game clock at Weasel foul on number 15, Ruiz. Penalty situation. 32 seconds left. 2 free throws for Megalyon. First attempt, mintis para kay Megalyon. A second free throw para kay Megalyon. Ang game clock natin, 32 seconds. No good again by Megalyon. So, Kinoshita layup is good. Shot clock is up. Final 20 seconds. Another call by the referee. 17 Ruiz. 13.7 seconds.
As usual mga kalogs, talo ulit. So mga kalogs, abangan nyo ang susunod na laban namin. So huling laban na namin doon sa grupo o kupunan nila Jomar, nila Joji. So yung kakalabanin namin tsaka kami, magiging do or die. Kung sino manalo, yun ang papasok sa sa parang playoffs, yung elimination natin, basta ganun. Tapos kung sino matalo, yun ang lalaglag. Kaya pero kasi kami ni standing ng katayuan ng posisyon. Kaya sana manalo kami para kami ang pumasok sa sa playoffs, kung baga sa NBA ay playoffs yun, ganun. So mga kalogs, wala tayong magawa. Kami 6 na player lang, talagang tukod na tukod kami, pero ginawa namin yung best namin. Tinry namin manalo. So nakakalamang kami hanggang third quarter, nakakalamang kami nung fourth quarter, talagang tukod na kami, sobrang pagod na lalo na ako. Talagang hindi kinaya, kaya talo ulit. Kaya abangan nyo ang susunod na laban namin. So matatagalan kasi may seminar ata yung mga kapitan tsaka lahat ng matagal silang mawawala, 1 week ata yun. Alright mga kalogs, kita-kits sa susunod na vlog natin. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusubaybay, sa mga solid kalogs na nandito pa rin hanggang ngayon. I love you all guys, bye bye.